Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll review how to invest in Treasury bills in our step-by-step guide. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. U.S. Treasury securities should always be your first choice if you're looking for low-risk investments. Treasury bonds are the world's safest investment because they are backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. Investing in Treasury bills can be a safe and reliable way to earn a return on your money. Treasury bills are short-term government securities that are issued by the U.S. Department of the Treasury. Treasury bills, also referred to as T-bills, are obligations of the United States government with maturities of 1 year or less. Investing in T-bills requires you to be aware of the following. Treasury bonds versus Treasury notes versus Treasury bills. U.S. Treasury securities come in a range of different maturities. Here's a quick rundown on each type. Treasury bonds. These long-term Treasury securities have maturities of 20 to 30 years. As with any bond, the longer the maturity, the greater the risk, and the higher the coupon, that's the interest rate paid by bonds. Bondholders get interest payments every 6 months, and at the end of the bond's term, they get the face value of the bond back. Treasury notes. These intermediate-term securities offer maturities of 2 to 10 years. They pay interest twice annually and return the par value or face value at maturity. The 10-year Treasury note is a widely followed financial market benchmark. When people talk about Treasury yields, they usually mean the 10-year Treasury note. Treasury bills. T-bills have short maturities of 4, 8, 13, 26 and 52 weeks. Since they offer such short maturities, T-bills don't offer interest payment coupons. Instead, they're called zero-coupon bonds, meaning that they're sold at a discount, and the difference between the purchase price and the par value at redemption represents the accrued interest. Are T-bill investments safe? The U.S. government's full faith and credit are used to support Treasury securities. Investment pros use the yield on a Treasury to figure out the risk-free rate, or the rate of return on an investment with no risk. Everyone agrees that the federal government will never default on debt because it has never done so. T-bill holders can be confident that they won't lose money on their investments. T-bills are considered a zero-risk investment, thanks also to Treasury market liquidity. According to the Securities Industry and Financial Markets Association, there is more than $11.2 trillion in outstanding U.S. government debt, with an average daily trading volume of over $633 billion. With a market of this size and trading volume, investors who want to sell will always be able to find a buyer. T-bills still have risks. Investing in T-bills isn't free of risk. Here are a few risk factors that you should consider. Opportunity cost. T-bills are considered risk-free because you can be certain you'll get your money back. But risk and return are directly proportional, and T-bills offer very low returns on investment. As a result, there is a chance that investing in T-bills will prevent you from taking advantage of other opportunities to earn a higher return. Inflation. Due to this rate of increase in the price of goods and services in the economy, investors in T-bills may be most at risk. Rising inflation erodes the value of interest payments. Inflation can exceed the investment return and eat into the principal's value. Investors find T-bills less appealing in environments with high inflation. Interest rates. When interest rates rise, investors find T-bills less appealing because they can earn higher interest income elsewhere. Market risk. Equity performance improves and stocks seem less risky when the economy is growing. Low returns make T-bills less appealing, which decreases demand and drives down bond prices. T-bills on the other hand become more appealing in a more unstable economic climate as investors look for a safe haven. How to buy T-bills. In terms of purchasing Treasury securities, investors have options. Going directly to Uncle Sam and opening a treasurydirect.gov account is one way to purchase T-bills. This website is the primary channel for the federal government to sell bonds. All you need to open an account is a bank account, a social security number, and a U.S. address. We'll include a link to Treasury Direct's website in our description below. Buying T-bills through Treasury Direct. By using Treasury Direct, investors save money on fees and commissions. It only takes $100 to start investing, and the buyer has two choices. T-bills are sold via auction, so investors need to place a bid. A competitive bidder tells the auctioneer what rate or yield they want, while a non-competitive bidder just takes the going rate. When the auction closes, non-competitive bidders have their orders filled first. Once all non-competitive bidders have been satisfied, the competitive bidders are issued securities, starting with the lowest bid and moving up. The U.S. Treasury publishes auction schedules that include announcement, auction, and settlement dates. Buyers must place their orders between the afternoon and the night before the auction date. T-bills with maturities of less than 52 weeks are auctioned weekly, while 52-week issues are auctioned monthly. A Treasury Direct account functions just like a brokerage account. When your bid is accepted, your bank account is debited in the amount of the sale price, and the T-bills arrive in your Treasury Direct account. When the T-bill matures, the par value is automatically credited to your bank account. Choosing a Treasury bill. There are 3 types of Treasury bills: 4-week, 8-week, and 52-week. The 4-week and 8-week bills are auctioned every week, while the 52-week bills are auctioned every 4 weeks. You can choose the maturity date that best fits your investment goals. Buying T-bills through a broker. You can open a brokerage account with a bank, credit union, or online brokerage that offers Treasury bill investments. You will need to provide personal information and a means of funding your account. For some investors, using a large brokerage like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab to place an order may be easier than opening a separate Treasury Direct account. These firms charge no fees for T-bills. It is not possible to fund an IRA through Treasury Direct, so investors who want to buy T-bills for their IRAs must do so through their broker. Investors can also buy T-bills in the secondary market, although purchasing new issues is generally a wiser option. If you buy bonds in the secondary market, you'll have to pay the bid or ask spread, an unnecessary cost since auctions are held frequently. Determine the amount you want to invest. Treasury bills are sold in denominations of $1,000, so you will need to invest at least that much. You can invest in multiples of $1,000 beyond that amount, up to $5 million for individuals and $10 million for entities. Monitor your investment. You can track the performance of your Treasury bill investment online or by contacting your brokerage firm. You will receive regular statements showing the status of your investment. Collecting your T-bill earnings. When your Treasury bill reaches maturity, you will receive your investment principal back plus interest. The interest earned on Treasury bills is exempt from state and local income taxes, but it is subject to federal income tax. How to build a bond ladder. Bond laddering with Treasury securities can be an interesting strategy for investors who want to manage interest rate risk and create a reliable income stream. To build a bond ladder, you buy bonds with different maturities and hold them until they mature. The interest payments provide a steady stream of income during the time you hold the bonds. At maturity, the bond's face value is reinvested. You can build a bond ladder for any period of time, and the staggered reinvestment means that you'll have flexibility in how you respond to varying interest rate environments. Since laddering is intended to produce a predictable income stream, it only makes sense to invest in high-quality bonds. While Treasury bills may not pay high interest, their rock-solid security ensures predictability. One thing to keep in mind is that Treasury bills are considered to be one of the safest investments because they are backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. However, they offer a relatively low rate of return compared to other investments. It's important to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing in Treasury bills. This concludes our beginner's guide to Treasury bills. While no one gets rich from investing in T-bills, they're free from default risk and highly liquid. They can be a big part of a diversified investment portfolio, but you need to make sure they fit in with your overall plan. It's always wise to work with a financial advisor to choose the investments most suitable for achieving your long-term financial goals. As always, it is essential to do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned cash to buy stocks or invest in the market. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.